Hello everyone. Here's the process I use to align the wheels on the Cobra. On here I have a toe gauge with the movable pointers. I've taken all the wheels, run a piece of tape around it, and then set a marker against it, spun the wheels so I can get the center. And I'll be setting the strings up and measuring how the wheels are pointed with the caliper. Since there's different offsets on the wheels, the back tires stick out a little farther than the front tires, so I've got to do measuring instead of just looking at the string. So we'll get going here and see how it works out. So here's the process. I take the pointers, since I want a toe-in condition, I start at the back. Get the pointer lined up on the marks. And then there's the part that makes it take a while. And I switch it around. And get them lined up on the front. And we'll see what kind of a toe we got. And of course, when I move one side, it moves the other, so it's a back and forth procedure. And from the looks of things, I've got a little more than a 1/4 inch of toe in, which is too much. So that's the easy part of the checking. Now I have to figure out which wheel that I want to adjust to fix it, and that'll take a little bit more strategizing and figuring before I reach that decision. So we'll bring you back when I figure it out. So before I get to adjusting the toe, I needed to check the camber on this. And you really probably can't see, but this is saying about 3.5 degrees positive, and I want about 1 degree negative. Let me check this side. And this side is showing right at 1 degree negative. So I need to adjust the camber on this thing. And then we'll go from there. And by adjusting this bar here, if I push it out, that adds more camber to it. And if I can turn it the other way, it'll take the camber out of it. So that's how we adjust the camber. Okay, well, after a full day's worth of work, as we can see, I now have approximately 1/8 of an inch of toe in, and that's what I was wanting. I've also adjusted the caster, or rather the camber in the back, and double checked the caster and camber settings on the front. Did a small adjustment on the toe on the front. So it's time for a test drive. Might have to make one final steering wheel adjustment and it should be good to go. So that's how it's done when you don't go to the tire shop and pay somebody to do an alignment. Just exchanging my time for money. So once again, thanks for watching.